Hello, ladies and gentlemen, or good evening or good morning in any country you are watching from. This is your girl Omo from Nice TV Show. Today I'm here to tell you guys story as usual. Last Sunday we did one video, so thank you guys. For those of you who like, for those of you who did not like, thank you everybody. Thank you for your comments. Thank you guys for your love. Please guys, I want you to like my video. What story you want, you can also tell me the story again, or we teach the story again. Babu iwoke san pedenele na medaro va me do tagbo magbo va ma do gbido ma ni e nda me do gbo kai mara pedenele na nya o khai ele na no eduzana no ne me kata mara eduzana no ne me de gbo kai mara o e me da gbo va pedenele na babu obu even ne comment o to ni video babu obu ahun even ne ye gbo like on the video babu obu ahun onu emi ni va pie ni bi ne be ni va gbe ni o ere mention va hun awowo va ze mu mention ze mo bo and de va oyiva meri wo babu wo keso o ka ja me da gbe ma va yan va kai onu se va re won wo no kai ayiwe e ba mi ra gbon o are won o yere gbo kai ene ye gbo ati film na e ba mi ra gbon o ere ati film o me da ya ni me do gbo kai ma wa yan no kai na imu eva eku mi o wa ve ebi olu won so e ve va da ariwo imu ego nye ve va jai ona va mi no na ewe ona va mi no na ewe o ba wa mi bo ewe o e fe va hi ado ba kidore e de ve va da ewe o sa ge ne ara ne ku olu won so da ewe o di do gwa no ku ono ka da ewe o di do gwa no ku olu won so oda mi o ku oda do ta mi ku mi wa fe o mi o ku pe do da mi no ku no da ri e ku mi wa fe ono ku ni ki e da re ku mi wa fe lo ade olu won so no mo oro so no wa kda ke de ya ni olu won so adore ro ku re e ku mi wa fe da olu won so ne jugbo ire re jugbo ki jugbo ku mi wa fe re ri area olu won so akido ka ero ku o yo na gbon na ire re gbulu won so avewe da to o da re ku olu won so o da ro to vewe iwe na igo ne viva ye kuku gai kumi wa ve pa okidare onigo e desese de data mi sage ane de ani kira da mo gbiso no ku da asan do no won no ku o da re wa ta mo no ku no won shoju ai e de kisese denya o we jewe ara ho ganya pa fere swilo eku mi o wa fe gbulu so eku mi o wa fe gbulu so o va rale o va duoji o jare eku mi o wa fe ona fere gbo o ke tifia ani o wada yo va saka gbo mi na afia me khe no swilo yo o were nyi o ta fe ke lo mi no dolo bo ye jewe eku mi o wa fe gbulu so o va rale o va duoji o jare eku mi o wa fe pie ada iwe okay ona gbera yi even na ti afia me ayi to va pa o to wa pa olu so wo ne wo no se o to pa eku mi o wa fe ire do ota do ta moyi ono ku oni no won so re dare ono we na do bo ta we le be gbi odo nu we are bo ni ta ye je ata yo ki or a major that it after that soon or gone what a hand. A boss said Danny, not showing that botifa. A cool meal of affair, a cool meal of affair, balloon or shaw, of our alley, of our dwarves, or a jari, a cool meal of affair, pure. I don't know if I'm that botifia. I know who of all about every year, I understand it, or no where but I understand. You know what a book come your ave. They come ave. Work bunu sha. Come your ave other beji, or whoever is sonoji. Your or where or moi, your be no sure. I pity sonoji. Ono jeda will pass judgment. No where joganya e kumyo wa ve gbulu won so anu mo bok ere gbulu won so aye e kumyo wa ve ta we o ta bok gbulu won so ulu won so o mo a du juvene ulu won so ju o sa no ta do ro ku le nu won so are re o ta wo ta ite le da wo lo after we ret si va ve kwa ono jekire ya ma to gbe ohwe ono fere wo ti fa tare lo eku mi o va fe gbolu mo so eku mi o va fe gbolu mo so o va rali o va doj eku mi o va fe ta wo so ni lo ono jeta yi wa ono go mo na ta mi o ne mi na iro re ye eku mi o va fe akelu o welu Gloria moya uta igori ba weno da mre okwo no so udari uwa no so da nemi jo tayo ai ono jeda we ai mi omo e wona gbona omo e o yi wona gbona ore ki yi oni judgment na re passi ni ohwe akida passo ni ekumi o ave ata ono jeda gbe kumi o ave da mu kene gbo mu fi okoju ko no so e on de ran me fi oda mu no so e mu ni anu he tata ma no to mu fi eru o a ko eran e kumi o ave un so e go kesan ono khaina owo mama wo ji ya ki we o khai na wo just wo gbo de onai imwe bona gbona omo e no sikene o egbene ai mi omo se oni every ne boto jealousy almost arrive cure so wa somewhere kule purere ware kan change o wo ye mi debe o ya wa tamomo e wo ke san va popo. Thank you guys, thank you for watching this video, thank you for everything. For those of you who does not understand Esan language, the story talks about two best friends, how the other one killed the other friend because of his money and his wife. So in this world, there are two things that we should be careful of. Number one of it is friendship. Your friends can pretend to love you. They can pretend to be the best of all, but if they want to stab you at the back, they will not look back. And the second of it is you should be careful the kind of person you keep as a friend. They say, show me your friend and I will tell you who you are. It's similar to this story. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.